Hey, how's it going? So today I have an Amazon brand, Amazon's own in-house brand, Solimo, uh, a Dutch oven with a glass top from Amazon's own in-house brand. And I chose this particular model, particular appliance because it had the fastest shipping as you would expect. Because it, these are the things that Amazon for its own benefit makes more readily available in almost all of its warehouses throughout India. This is the business model they do. They look at some of the best selling products, fast moving products in their inventory from other sellers, other vendors. Then they create low cost alternatives of their own and swiftly pushed away that original product from the uh, front page, because no one can compete with them when it comes to economies of scale. They have done this in many product sectors, and this is their idea, this is their interpretation of a Dutch oven. But hey, in the end, the customer benefits, even though uh, innovation and small businesses take a hit, but the customer benefits because you get this at a good price, because Amazon made them with economies of scale. And another thing is reliability. These things come fulfilled by Amazon because it is their in-house brand. So it does a warranty, guarantee, and general customer support is generally a lot better than if you would buy from a third-party vendor who sells on Amazon. So anyway, it's just a lead. What else is there to review? But I thought I should make this video anyway for people who wanted to know about the size. So this is me. I'm 5 foot 4 inch tall. So my hand can reach it like this. It is yay deep, you can see, and the handle is extremely solidly built. But the weight is also fine enough. The lid, I have seen reviews of the lid cracking, but it is extremely thick. I don't think that would be a problem if you were to use it nicely. There is a hole and the head moves, but I don't think it is coming up anytime soon. And it fits. There is a slight movement, but then again that is nitpicking. It fits perfectly fine. Never mind what I say. It fits perfectly fine. Here is the base. It is induction safe, and I can see my reflection inside. It is so shiny. By far, the most impressive part of this Dutch oven are the handles. They are attached extremely well. These things are solid. I mean, you can pull a truck with them. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to find a truck downstairs and see if it can pull it apart. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Peace.